हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं नवनीत हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस डाइजेस्ट स्टैंडर्ड 9th। इसमें पॉलिटिकल साइंस का चैप्टर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। पॉलिटिकल साइंस इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड, तो चैप्टर फर्स्ट पोस्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट्स। इसके पहले हमने हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर्स कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे तो उन्हें ज़रूर से देखिएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पोस्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट्स के डाइजेस्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, जिसमें सबसे पहले हमें दिए हैं इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। तो फर्स्ट है इंट्रोडक्शन, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम, interdependence, then international relations through foreign policy। इसमें थर्ड पॉइंट है हमारा बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड। आपको वीडियो पॉज करते रहना होगा। फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर, तो दिस आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर। Then let us know the League of Nations. The League of Nations का point 7 is here. Then Second World War. Four points. Cold War. Five points. Then effects of Cold War. So in these there are sub points. Second point, third point, and this one is the fourth one. You can keep on pausing the video. Then fifth point, keep on pausing the video for writing the answer. Then let us know humanism, let us know colony and colonial rule, then end of the Cold War. Let us know Soviet Union and its disintegration. Then post-Cold War world. Total 7 points are there. आपको किसी और भी चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर से बताइए। मैं उस पर वीडियो बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगी। देन ग्लोबलाइजेशन, इसके बाद हम बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स की तरफ, जिसमें सबसे पहले हमें दिया है चूज द राइट ऑप्शंस एंड रीराइट द सेंटेंसेस। A system of independent and sovereign states, international system, the main responsibility of the League of Nations to avoid war. The Cold War ended with this event, disintegration of the Soviet Union. Then fourth one is interdependence is an important feature of the international system. इसके बाद every nation's policy related to the other nation is called foreign policy. And these are the answers they have given us. Then second, the First World War was fought between 1914 and 1918. The League of Nations was established after the First World War to establish peace. Then the Warsaw Pact was a military organization under the command of Soviet Union. Second World War was fought between 1939 and 1945. Then America dropped nuclear bombs on two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. इसके बाद में हमारा आता है एक्सप्लेन विथ रीज़न वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. So first one, the League of Nations was established after the First World War. It's a true. So this is the reason why this statement is true. Then second है, the World War became unpolar due to the Cold War. The above statement is false and reason for this is given here. Next, the policies of Mikhail Gorbachev gave an impetus to democratization. This one is true. Reason: America's use of nuclear weapons was responsible for the Cold War. It's a false. The rivalry between the Soviet Union and America culminated in the Second World War. It's a false. Then Cold War led to the formation of the military organization. This is true. बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए. देन एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज कोल्ड वॉर. नॉन अलाइनमेंट, interdependence, then bipolarization, globalization, then next one is foreign policy, रीजनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आपको वीडियो पॉज करते रहना होगा आंसर्स के लिए. देन यूनिपोलर सिस्टम, मल्टीपोलर सिस्टम, then write short notes. First is contribution of the non-aligned movement. तो आप वीडियो पॉज करके आंसर्स देखिए. द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन, then give conceptual description of the following. So answers are here. First is countries involved in the First World War. Allied powers: Britain, France, Russia, Italy, America. Central powers: Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. Countries involved in the Second World War. Allied powers: Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China, America. And Axis powers: Germany, Japan and Italy. Then leaders of the non-aligned movement: India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru; Yugoslavia, Marshal Tito; Egypt, Gamal Abdul Nasser; Indonesia, Dr. Sukarno; Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. 5 members of the states of the ASEAN: Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines. इसके बाद में आते हैं प्रिपेयर टाइमलाइन शोइंग द गिवन इवेंट्स. So 1914 beginning of the First World War, 1917 Communist Revolution in Russia, 1939 beginning of Second World War, 1945 America dropped nuclear bombs on Japan. Answer the following questions in brief. First one is, what were the fake factors responsible for the end of the Cold War? So there are 5 points. वीडियो पॉज करके आप आंसर्स लिखिए. Then next है, what are the major changes that occurred in the global politics after the end of the Cold War? Then third question is, how did the Second World War end? Then fourth, name the military organizations formed after the Second World War. Then next, compare the First World War and the Second World War with the help of the following points. Period, involved nations, economic and political impact, international organization established after the war. So these are the points. And comparison between First World War and the Second World War. इसके बाद आता है, पॉइंट आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द यूएसए दैट इज अमेरिका एंड यूएसएसआर दैट इज सोवियत यूनियन. So these are the differences between the USA and the Soviet Unions. Total 7 points are given here. You can pause the video and write the answer or read the answer. इसके बाद है, give your opinion on the following. What measures should the League of Nations have taken to avoid the outbreak of the Second World War? So these are the points here. Then fifth point. Next is, non-alignment was necessary during the Cold War. Then next question, human welfare was neglected due to the Cold War. Total 4 points. Which countries can come up as superpowers as competitors to America in the present times? So total 6 points are there. The Second World War was fought between 1939 and 1945. What events were unfolding in India during this period? There are total 10 points. Then why did the French, America and Soviet Russia became foes after the Second World War? So 4 points answer. Next is, what precautions should we take in order to prevent the rise of autocratic reigns? So there are total 5 points. Is there any correlations between the advances in technologies and world peace? हाउ कैन टेक्नोलॉजी बी यूज्ड फॉर ह्यूमन वेलफेयर? So there are total 5 points. Give your opinion on the topic futility of war. So total 5 points for this answer. इसके बाद आता है read the given passage and answer the questions given below. So this is a passage. Then what is the difference between the interdependence between individuals and that of between nations? So these are the points. There are 4 differences. Then is there a division like rich countries and poor countries? And just as a country is governed by a constitutions, is there some kind of a constitutions at the global level? बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने चैप्टर 1 के डाइजेस्ट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिनिश किए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करेंगे चैप्टर 2 इंडिया फॉरेन पॉलिसी के डाइजेस्ट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।